A sinkhole along Prince Charles Drive leaves a huge obstacle and questions over traffic flow. Good evening and thanks for tuning in to the Bahamas Tonight. I'm Jiminita Swain. Topping news that sinkhole, the cause of a traffic nightmare for hundreds of motorists and residents in the area, where crews continue the major underground and surface repairs on the hole, which made its sudden appearance in the early morning hours, creating an obstacle and a series of utility disruptions. Here's Lloyd Allen.
Reported early Sunday morning, this sinkhole right behind me, smack in the middle of Prince Charles Drive, caused chaos for many residents in the eastern area as it caused line after line of traffic all day on Sunday. For a significant number of residents in eastern New Providence, it's been a long day as infrastructural challenges affected power and water supply Sunday morning. A gaping sinkhole sits between Blanco Bleach and Popeyes. Water and Sewage General Manager Elwood Donaldson says officials were first alerted about the hole around 1 a.m. Sunday.
At that time, we put together teams to come and do an inspection because there's quite a good amount of water here in this area of Prince Charles. If you notice, there's the guys with the backhoe in the background. They have dug down to the pipe, isolated where the leak is on this length of pipe, and so now they're trying to clear it to have to clamp it off and have it replaced. It looks as if the whole length of the pipe is damaged, and so you see we have here 2 lengths of 24-inch pipe. So once they have been able to excavate the pipe for its removal, then we can take it out and see what other materials may be needed to replace it.
Donaldson says all Prince Charles customers east of the old Robin Hood store were reduced to low water pressure or none at all. He gave this theory about what caused the main break.
No, we've had this on several occasions. Not quite sure. Sometimes it's man-made and these things fail. It should not, but it may have been a faulty length of pipe that was laid down, and so we have to replace it. What happened is when you have a major leak on one of these 24-inch pipes, it will then compromise the compaction and the tar, and as a result, it created a hole in the road.
Bahamas Power and Light foreman Keith Smith says while Water and Sewage were busy dealing with that sinkhole, his team was focused on repairing a damaged pole, which he says was hit by a vehicle sometime Sunday morning. He added that there was an initial challenge of assessing the damage as water from the sinkhole created difficulties.
A vehicle apparently struck one of our high-tension poles, resulting in the pole being broken, and now we are in the process of replacing that damaged pole. Power was interrupted initially, but we have restored power to all consumers on the other circuit. And now we are in the process of changing this damaged utility pole.
Now, while Water and Sewage was finishing the final leg of correcting the damaged pipe around 4 p.m. Sunday, traffic remained a nightmare as motorists were caught in traffic gridlock. From the Eastern Road to Johnson Road and parts of Burnett Road, drivers were faced with lines of traffic with no clear idea how to better maneuver the streets. ZNS News has been told that the main repair is near complete. However, the true test will come during the Monday morning commute in just a few hours when motorists will have to maneuver the damage. Lloyd Allen, ZNS Network News.